Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are going over the best bed frames on Amazon. This is from ZINUS. You guys, I love ZINUS. They are a great company. They sell mattresses as well. They just have a great reputation. You can check it out. They've got literally tens of thousands of 5-star reviews, so you know that you can really buy confidently from them, and they can hook you up with a mattress too if you're in the market for a whole new bedroom set. This is the Arnav. It's a modern studio 10-inch platform metal bed. This design, you guys, just screams that really fun, simple, minimalist vibe. It goes literally in any space. It's gonna match any decor, and it's gonna be really timeless and something that you don't have to worry about getting tired of or growing into a different style. This can really be very adaptable and fit whatever vibe you're going for in the room. It's 10 inches off the ground. You're gonna get about 7 inches of clearance under there, so a little bit of storage space, but not a ton, so keep that in mind. This has wooden slat support, so you do not need a box spring. I think that's great for a couple reasons. Obviously, one big one, you save money on that box spring. I think it's better for sleeping. I just find it more comfortable since I've switched to a platform bed, and also it's better for the health and life of your mattress. So ZINUS is pretty cool because sometimes, not all platform bases are created equally. Some of them shift and slide. ZINUS provides you with cushion and also tape that's going to put your platform down in place, so the slats are not going to be moving, they're not going to be sliding, and also those little foam bumpers that they give you are going to keep everything very quiet, silent, no squeaking, no noises, no creaks in the middle of the night, so you can get the best sleep of your life. This is going to come together like 30 minutes, you guys. Super easy to put together, really simple. It's gonna give you a strong, sturdy construction at a great price, and you guys are gonna be very happy with this. So go ahead and put it in your cart.